Hello and welcome. My name is Rushabh. Today's video topic we are going to discuss about what is the bean factory. So bean factory is nothing but the process of building. It is a container specifically a container which is store the objects of the Java. So whenever the bean factory is initialized into the Spring framework, the bean factory will make an object creation process. In the process of the creating object, suppose one class we going to write in the Spring application. That class is depend on this another class. Means we write that class. We define that some class like a student, and that student class I have to use into the another class. So what I have to do? I have to create the object of that class and insert it into into the class of which I have to use. So for that creation of this class, there is the very tight coupled concept when we create the object with the keyword of the new. So we are not going to create a keyword. We are not use this keyword new for creating that class or for use that class into this class. So what exactly we have to do? So for this process, there is the one container will be decided from the side of the Spring. That container will going to make the object for us. So how it is possible and how it is work? So in the Spring there is the IOC container. IOC container defines the two. There is the two functionalities there into the IOC container. One is the bean factory and second one is the application context. So this bean factory is also the work for making an objects, and application context is also have the work to making an object only. So here we only see what is the bean factory. So in the container, whenever your program of this Spring is going to run, there is the various type of the object will be created. So that object blueprint it's stored into this IOC container in the form of beans. So that in the form of beans it is stored, and whenever it will be necessary, whenever we require to demand that object. So we are not directly create an object here for the new keyword. We just call that what class object we need and the reference variable we will be provided in this class, and that reference variable means that will be called with the help of the annotation. It will call that factory means from that beans it will call that object blueprint, and we will define it in our project. So by the help of this dependency we will be reduced into converted into this loose coupling dependency. So bean factory is work like that, and in this bean factory, whenever the object will be called, whenever we needed the object, then only this factory will create the object and give to the us. So that is why it is also called as lazy process. So that is all about of this bean factory concept. Thank you so much.